After working on our first presentation, I just closed the file. So let me reopen it. It is on the desktop. My first presentation, I'll just double click to open it. Now here only one page is created. Let's learn some further functions of PowerPoint. If you further want to change the layout of this first slide, you can do that from Home tab and Layout. There you will see the title slide, which was selected by default. Title and content, if you have some content, like you want to present it with the heading and then afterwards in the points. So you can change the layout to this section and header. In this way, the main heading and the subtitle of our company will appear something like this. If you want to further divide in two sections or comparison or content with caption, with picture, so you can change to all of these. And you even have the choice to start it from complete scratch. In that way, you won't see any boxes here. So right now, because I have already mentioned some text, so that's why it is not removing this even on the blank. But when we start the new slide, for example, this one, and we change the theme to title and content, it will show up like this. And if we change it to blank, it will show completely blank page. So afterwards, you have to manually insert the shapes. Anyways, we will not use this second slide. Now, if you want to delete this slide, right click and delete the slide. If you want to reset the original settings, you can press Ctrl Z. But since I've showed you many changes, I'll manually go to Layout and reset it to title and slide. I need to increase the size. Now, when you click on title and slide, it will show up the default setting which was earlier made. So any customization won't be saved because you have reset and set it back to the title and slide. So anyways, I've customized it again. Now let's insert the second page. I'll click on the first slide and click on new slide. Now you will notice that the first layout was changed. First layout looks like title and slide, and the second page looks like title and content. And if you notice, layout already selected title and content. That's because normally all the presentations are in bullet points and pictures and graphs form. So basically these kind of presentations are used in companies for briefings and small presentations to discuss the core issues of the company, core performances, so that it can be easily highlighted with bullet points and using of graphs and charts. So I'll click to add the title, and my title is what this training covers. Now let's quickly add different bullet points. You can mention whatever bullet points you like. Now this slide is complete. If I want to create a new slide, I can just simply select this if I want the same layout on the next slide, and then click new slide. So it will follow the same template. And if I want to go back to slide number 2, I can just click it. Now you will notice that once the slide is complete, it disappears the boxes. That means boxes are just the indication of where you have to write. If I click, it will show up. And if I click on the side, it will disappear. So that's just an indication of where you have to write the data. Let's go back to slide 3. Let's write something here as well. Now similarly, if you want to move this box a little up, you can see there is a gap between them. So similar method will be followed. You will go on this line. When you see this 4 arrows, you will just hold from the left key and move it upwards. So that's how we insert new slides and work with layouts in PowerPoint.